Standard underscore init underscore Linux.go 178, exec user process caused exec format error. Docker started throwing this error. Standard underscore init underscore Linux.go 178, exec user process caused exec format error. Whenever I run a specific Docker container with cmd or entry point, with no regard to any changes to the file other than removing cmd or entry point. Here is the Docker file I have been working with, which worked perfectly until about an hour ago.
I forgot to put at the top of the sh file. Problem solved.
Add this code at the top of your script file.
This can happen if you're trying to run an x86 built image on an ARM64/Arch64 machine. You'll need to rebuild the image using the corresponding architecture.
If the Docker image is built on an M1 chip and uploaded to be deployed by Fargate, then you'll notice this container error in Fargate. There's a couple ways to work around this. You can either build your Docker image using update your Docker files from statements with
Are you ready, Professor?